Who are you? I'm not eating no salad. Red Henny. I just got You're slow. I'm just waiting here. Where I go back there? I just know.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a billboard.
I'm tired.
Hey people.
Light.
Hey people. So we're back from DC and we're back in Waldorf. We actually stopped at TGI Fridays. Yeah, Melica said that she wanted to come here because she has never been here before.
I never TGIF Fridays. Oh, that.
No TGI Fridays today?
I said name TGIF Fridays.
TGIF.
Okay.
Oh, I know of TGI Fridays.
They adjust it?
Huh?
They adjust
Yeah,
it?
they're gonna adjust it.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
No problem. Can I touch on non-alcoholic or alcoholic drink? Strawberry Henny, lemonade, water.
Red Henny.
Strawberry Henny.
I just got some water.
Water.
Yeah.
It's a nice day to get some Henny.
Something that will make me warm. Something that could make me warm.
Hennessy.
No.
So guys, we're going to order something. Once we order, we will let you know what we get. I'm mad cold.
I just need a cranberry juice. Yeah, cranberry juice, right?
Once we order, I'll let you know what we get and stuff like that.
Or we can get wings here. Can I get wings here?
Oh, hey.
The light, use the head and back.
Can I order, can I get a boneless wings with like regular wings? I can see, I don't know if they can do it if you can.
I don't know if I know, honestly, because they don't want to try anything new.
Our regular ones are good.
Is it big?
No, they're
Small ones? Yeah, I'll take the ones.
You want boneless?
Yeah.
You want to try the Carolina? This is hot, right?
Yeah, the hottest one.
See that?
The hottest one. I'm not eating myself alone. I don't know what it is. I might go with a salad.
Who are you?
I
I'm
might
not
be-
eating no salad. That be
This is
nasty.
nice.
Come over in your seat so you can block out the light. The light will be missing.
Anyway, what I want? Oh, sorry.
Talk. Do what I do. Not the way I do. Do what I
If
do.
that's set
Johnny.
properly. Actually set it good. Better than before. Hey, dog, so cheap.
Yeah, you realize it's always someone mean though. It's all good.
You're dark, my nigga.
People, him just pull out the phone and
always do
me
next
just
time.
look for Melica and I just look for Melica and he in a feeling.
Again, nothing was said, right?
Nothing was said. You
just
over
said
there
you're
talk about you know do nothing and all this.
Anyways, we'll try. What you know we try, Jermaine?
I like
know
this.
what I'm
It looks nice. Sizzling
pepper,
chicken
something.
and shrimp.
We'll try some pepper thing. Pepper wings. Or something.
People are cold. I know when they go stop them go cold place. The club are cold, you know sure.
How when you got club?
Oh, so on scratch it all together? Sure. Anything and anything. But it's gonna want someone with music. Here's to have music, but it's not all that loud.
That's when we're going.
I got tired.
Who that? Who's up asleep, so?
Asking no
You alone snoring. I must say this morning alone, me hear Jeremy snore. Did I snore today, you know? Melica every night. So as a lid on, so as a put on the head, so you're
5 minutes, my God.
Me couldn't sleep last night, you know what time you go to bed. When I said, me did Jeremy, me not here. But me couldn't sleep last night. Me just couldn't have the TV and force it.
What is something with the shrimp but we have all the
People
time
almost
shrimp?
1 week have been here and me still can't get adjusted to the place. Me can't sleep. I miss my husband. I miss laying in his arms and stuff like that. So I can't sleep without him. So thank you.
Y'all ready to order? I want for the ways to come out.
Is this good?
How does it go?
Of course.
You're gonna say that.
No, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
So whatever we order, we get all you can eat for it.
Oh, there you go.
Add this to sip on the TV.
But with this, you get shrimp with it.
Hello?
This doesn't taste like real cranberry. Doesn't taste like real cranberry.
It's cranberry.
Hello?
It's from the juicer.
Alright. Now you want to give us that 5 minutes to taste?
Yes, man.
Thank you.
I did like you rip somewhere you were there in a Germany and it didn't taste good.
Oh,
I know you have a skip
And I eat this as well.
Hard rock.
Yeah, that one are kind of big. What about this?
Guys, I know of a TGIF in Jamaica. It's really good. It's in Kingston though. Never got that one there?
No, I never gone out TGIF.
It's really good. The vibe is good, the people good, the service is good, the food is good.
So guys, comment in the comment section if you're enjoying the vlogs. I really put a lot of effort in capturing like almost everything that we did. And yeah, big up on them, clean them.
Yeah, people, so we went to the museum, the African American Museum. It was very educational, informative. We learned, well, we saw some things that we knew before,
Yeah,
that we
because
learned in
Jamaica
school.
really cover a lot of history.
Yeah.
We've seen here.
Yeah,
Like
so,
so we weren't shocked.
but there were some things that we saw that we didn't know. And I was telling Melica that it's kind of depressing. The music, the stories, everything, and the stuff that I see is very depressing, and it made me start. I'm not gonna start that part because I'm not going to think I'm racist, but me start thinking some things, man. Like my beliefs are no white people don't need to in there. White people the parents now.
On the vlog? Yeah. But if you, I'm not sure, but if you are here, guys, I appreciate you.
I'm not racist, guys. I'm not. But
You decide where you
it was
get?
good. I
see,
think
I
I
look
want
fun
to try
that,
it.
you know.
It look nice, look really nice. We want a rice. One of them have the coleslaw.
Yeah, they do. I checked it out. I love you too, baby.
Southern fried chicken. Oh, so we went to the restaurant, right? That I was telling you guys about with the buffet.
Like a buffet, yeah.
And
Yeah.
You decide where you get? I'm gonna bring some plates over to y'all, okay? Alright, thank you.
and
You decide where you get? Share vlog so we get so
wait. So I realized that there were different lines for the buffet lines, right? And we were in the line that said, was it Southern? A Southern line, and then you had another line called the what? Next
like
part
would
of
that
the
be like
country.
Italian, Jamaican,
No, yeah,
European,
something like that,
basically,
but
also
like,
Indian.
yeah, you know, you have the Southern, which is for the black people, them. So it's the fried chicken and all of them good
The
stuff
fried
there.
chicken is too big for you.
Fried chicken and them good stuff there.
Let me
So
taste
me
one.
stand up in the black line now, cause me black, and them one go in a white line. So me I said to them, say, no, me I stand up in the line and me say, all of the black people, them say, notice the black people over here, so, and white people over here, so, me say, food over here, so.
That's me.
A 3 different somebody just come to it. Honest person, I don't know. That means that the black line food are gonna taste better. So I say, me I stand up in the black line because I know white people not season their meat, seasoning stuff right
Can you
and
have me
stuff
taste
like
one of
that.
the shrimp?
So-
The thing? The chicken.
So yeah, when you can't make
Can I
me,
taste
like
one?
when me I do my vlog, you know, always
No,
at
I
all.
stretch across Germany to just put in a plate and pass it.
Anyways,
Why
people,
you
I
so-
just me I know, yeah. So what me I say is, yeah, we never really plan to try no white food because
Put the chicken
white
in a
food
plate and
not
pass it
taste
plate.
good to me.
Please.
I ask.
That easier.
Now guys, we're
I'll
gonna
still wait
try
up the cranberry and you give me something.
Just,
Something
I wanted
like
to
a
show
sugar
them back
and
what we
water.
got. The chicken cup. The wings.
So Melica been pressing us to try the hot wings challenge. We're not at the BB. Where you got BB?
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings. BBW. Buffalo Wild Wings, but we're at TGIF Fridays.
This is boneless. I don't mean make it jump on that plane.
Oh, we got try people. From a
We
combination
got
of
some wings
pasta.
and it's boneless.
I like how mayo still not smell, you know. Hot?
No, try it.
Hmm?
Come on.
Try it. All of them are boneless or you mix it?
No, man.
Still not going hot.
Yeah. Not hot, but yeah, Goshi, it's hot. Goshi, this is my water. This is
No, no water. Not taste like wings. Not taste like wings to come like a breast then fry. Oh, well, me wouldn't know. I think they not take out the wings. Or if you do, oh, a little part at the top then fry. I don't know. So how is that wings?
that's not wings, that's
People sorry for my ignorance, but I never know say that name boneless wings. That makes sense. Call it breast, boneless breast. Breast is boneless, but whatever. I don't like breast. Give me the regular wings, I'm gonna like breast. No, I said, I asked if them small, if the regular wings are small, and you said yes. So then I give you the regular ones. I don't like breast cereal, Jeremy.
You taste the sauce? Was the sauce good?
I don't know, I'm not taste it. It's hot, but it can't eat. I mean, BBW one more hot. BB whatever. BWW. And BB something they got to. Be something and it I still spell out something, right? No, you like the sauce right now?
No, the blue cheese.
Whatever I want. You want
I
it?
run.
I like it. Smell and taste bad. The rank. I've been ranking this morning.
You got this smell, I just put my mouth, but I don't know where it's from. When I say bucket of bone.
Head napkin? Oh?
Let me that.
I said, can I try them? And could you give a different sauce?
Let me have something to take out the farm.
Or a sauce are different? Where you want?
The napkin thing.
Why you want my napkins
Can you
here?
have my fork?
Post on fries, okay?
Oh, I like the shrimp, you know. See how I
Like another mango heady, sir? Oh,
Let me see.
no. The shrimp pasta thing?
What is this?
With the bucket of bones?
What is this?
It's ribs, fries, and wings.
Ribs, fries, and wings?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Hot for sure.
I'm trying to get traditional.
I get hot people, I get hot.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that and a serving of coleslaw.
It doesn't come with any sides, though.
It does.
I can add this loaf to it. Yeah, that's good.
Alright, I'll have this. The sizzling
It's a
chicken.
good choice. I love that.
Huh?
So I love that. It's pretty good.
If it's not, I'm not gonna eat it.
You don't like it.
said Melica eat ketchup everywhere she goes.
Yeah, with ketchup on the wings.
Yeah, I want ketchup.
May I take some too?
This is mad pepper.
Oh my God.
Guys, this thing is so pepper. My nose is running.
It's not.
It is. We
Country
trigger.
girl may use the pepper.
We trigger my sinus. This is pepper.
First country girl, Mr. can't use pepper.
Washing pepper. They make washing over here shit. It's like a cool, she cool.
But the pepper free, no pepper.
Like when I just eat
But I
it,
love pepper.
the pepper not hit you when I just start eating.
I know I go burn me tonight though.
What? I'm confused, guys.
Make sure you turn on the
You're slow.
I'm just getting it. So when the food comes, we take a snapshot of that and then we'll be closing off of it. So I never check your parking today. Like when you are
Underground.
Why I got back there?
I just don't wonder why serious because I'm coming here when I'm putting
Again,
information.
yes, what I said, when you do it on purpose, you did have to go back there, so?
No, I just wonder
But you did done. But you did done it.
Today we park the car. I will try to find my car and Jermaine. I'll get this because we couldn't find the car. I'm here, I talk to Siri as a Siri. The car, the X, Y, and Z.
Okay.
When we come back, nothing for Siri.
Okay.
So I don't trust technology.
Go ahead.
You're being mad lame right now.
Say your piece. Are you in the,
Do you want to connect to the hotspot or not?
Yes, my neighbor.
$50 per person.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Well, no.
The lady with her sleeves?
Yeah.
On the seriously, yo?
What?
And I recording, you know?
No, but not here. No whisper to Melica Allen.
Yeah, so that's you man drive.
No.
No.
You're still German with it?
Hey, yo, what you over there say? I said sleeves, my nigga.
She did her sleeves. Meaning tax. Her and then. Ocean wanted to.
Connect to the picture.
People, imagine.
Ocean wanted to go and get
We live near
a
to a tattoo shop, you know, like the tattoo shop is on the complex and far. When I ask Jeremy to bring me out, no.
And when we forward down a gun range too.
But show me
No. I was trying to say, this is the true definition of people being ungrateful. Zane, this is the true definition of people being ungrateful, right? They say when we're at the house, every day we leave the house, 2 to 3 o'clock, around them time, right? There's not been one day where they have not done an activity. I'm gonna take them shopping. This is the true definition of ungrateful. All right, okay, screw them, screw both of them. Screw both of them, screw them.
Honestly, we have garlic bread.
You know, so like how we know, but I go to the club, we should I take alcohol?
Ocean, I don't want to take no alcohol, okay? It's early from morning.
Then that would be perfect, so you can't go home and sleep at all.
No, because when you go home, you got the stuff.
What we are going to do?
Like play game and stuff.
How is it just turn this again?
Says the person that's going to be.
I
never know someone ain't going tonight again. I want to make that decision.
Wow.
No, you just made that decision.
And what did I make?
See rock from my finger. Find him again. She got chicken. Oh, this is she's my nizzle. She's my nizzle. This is what? That's corny?
I didn't say anything. What is this?
This is shizzle.
Sizzling.
Shizzle my nizzle. Sizzling.
But not somewhere
Chicken
too
and
close to me.
shrimp. Sizzling chicken and shrimp.
Actually sizzling.
Can't she get one of those little plates?
I'm a fart.
Let me just put one on this one. Oh, sorry.
I got a bucket. I got a bucket with ribs and fries and then bottom and wing. This is good. I wasn't expecting so much, but Jeremy wants some cup. And with his meal, you get all you get is shrimp.
No.
Which we're gonna need.
Why you tell people them something?
Oh, that's what he told
No,
us.
that's not what I ordered. Appreciate you, bro. Hey, when you get a chance, whenever can I get another one of these?